Hello and welcome to another Nucida session on the outlook for XRay and XRay Enterprise in terms of data center and cloud versions. What would be the next development steps and features that we will see in late 2023 or early 2024? If you like, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel and click on the bell to never forget our upcoming sessions. In terms of any questions or hints, please leave a comment. Of course, we can only outline our views this way, and XBlend may make different decisions, or some developments may take longer than expected, or some tasks may be postponed due to priority changes. But in most cases, our estimate hits the spot when I look back at our previous forecasts we made years ago. One issue could be the defect creation process. Based on discussions with our customers, we have expressed a desire to improve this process to reduce the effort required for defect creation and maintenance. In our opinion, it would be beneficial if XRay would consider all attached files and information in the test run during the defect creation process. This would eliminate the need to perform additional and manual tasks during defect creation. Some of our project customers give us feedback that the first steps with XRay might be a bit difficult. How to create and maintain XRay issue types such as test, test set, test plan, and test execution are typical questions in this startup phase. Therefore, Nucida QA experts have created a series of video tutorials this year to alleviate this issue. In addition, we asked the XRay support team if they could improve the launch experience by offering some sample projects, as Atlassian has done in Jira. So, we believe that something could happen here in the future. This way, XRay users can better understand how the system works with the help of sample projects. Do you have any questions? In terms of any questions or hints, please leave a comment. The Nucida QA experts would be happy to support you. We will answer you in the comment section of this channel near time. Another, perhaps even the most important point from our point of view is migration. Most XRay customers use the XRay system version that will be obsolete in 2024. A migration is therefore mandatory. In addition, XRay migration from system to cloud or system to data center version is very complex. By the way, Nucida QA experts can help you migrate your XRay projects in time. Please do not hesitate to ask us. Time is short. But apart from that, we are talking with XRay support about this point, and we think there will be some tools or improvements to streamline all migration tasks and migration performance. Based on our experience from the successfully completed migration projects on customer side, the required migration time is often underestimated by customers. For some of our customers in regulatory environments, data residency is an important issue. You may be aware that XRay cloud data is currently stored in the US. Some of our customers are requesting that the data be stored in the European Union. We have raised this point and hope that in 2024, we will see something that could be a solution to this point. This concludes our overview about this topic. We hope this video helps you understand the next steps on the path to the broader XRay roadmap for 2024 and 2025. As always, the coming years will be exciting. The improvements are sure to be thrilling, so stay tuned. If you like, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel and click on the bell to never forget our upcoming sessions. In terms of any questions or hints, please leave a comment. To learn more, please take advantage of our other videos. Happy testing and see you next time. Are you ready to supercharge your business ventures? The Nucida Consulting Group is here to propel you forward in key domains such as marketing, software quality, financial management, and digital transformation. Our dedicated experts stand by your side, whether it's a pressing issue that needs immediate attention or a visionary project waiting to be orchestrated seamlessly. With Nucida, you're not just a client, you're a partner. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to never miss upcoming videos about software quality, test management, and test automation. We bring a wealth of knowledge to the table, ensuring your company not only thrives, but excels in the competitive market landscape. Ready to reach new heights? Visit our Nucida Group homepage, nucida.com, to learn more about our cutting-edge consulting services.